from class 5th C. We all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of Republic Day. So, I am going to narrate a short speech on it. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. It is on this day that the Indian Constitution came into force. This year in 2017, we are celebrating our 68th Republic Day of India. We should greet each other and pray to God for the prosperity and development of our nation. The Republic Day celebrations includes paying homage to Amar Jawans. A 21-gun salute is given, followed by the parade, led by the three wings of the armed forces. They are the Navy, the Air Force and the military. It is the need of the hour that we need to pledge our allegiance to our country and the Constitution. Let us spread the light of unity, compassion and peace. For that can be an ideal homage for our freedom fighters and the great leaders who worked so hard to ensure that we live in a free nation. Thank you.
देखो 26 जनवरी है आई, गणतंत्र की सौगात है लाई। इस पावन दिवस पर हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाते हैं और तिरंगे को फहराकर गीत खुशी के गाते हैं। संविधान आजादी वाला इस दिन खुशियाँ लाया है, इसने दुनिया में भारत को नव गणतंत्र बनाया है। क्या सही है और क्या गलत है, संविधान हमें बतलाता है। भारत में रहने वालों का इससे गहरा नाता है। ये अधिकार हमें देता है उन्नति करने वाला, ऊंच नीच का भेद न करता पंडित हो या लाला। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब है भाई भाई, सबसे पहले संविधान ने बात यही बतलाई। लेकर शिक्षा कहीं कभी भी ऊंचे पद पा सकते हैं और बड़ा व्यापार नियम से दुनिया में छा सकते हैं। लेकिन संविधान को पढ़कर मानवता को जाने, अधिकारों से जुड़े हुए कर्तव्यों को पहचाने। लोकतंत्र पहचान है जिसकी, वो भारत देश महान है। गणतंत्र हमारा महान है, गणतंत्र हमारा महान है। जय हिंद।
Very, very emotional moment, and also the moment of pride. It is a very important day in the lives of children who are given this responsibility, and also for those who are handing over the responsibility. I request now Principal Ma'am to come and give the sash to the captains. Now, as Harman and Palakshi move out of Smart Wonders and step into a new life, we wish them many, many more years of successful leadership. They are very, very capable leaders, and they are going to make all of us proud. So big round of applause for Harman and Palakshi, and big round of applause for Deep Khushi and Gurkirat, who are taking over as new head boy and head girl of Smart Wonder School. Congratulations to both of you. Ma'am, you will have to be on the stage for a long time because you have a lot of work to do today. Now I invite Deputy Head Boy Ranveer Singh and Deputy Head Girl Avya Sood to come and wear the sash. Their badges will be awarded later. Big round of applause. They are the ones who are going to support Deep Khushi and Gurkirat in shouldering the responsibility of the school council and school affairs. Keep clapping, children. Moment of pride for these students. Next comes Sukleen Kaur. Be ready for your turn, Sukleen. Sukleen Kaur comes taking the responsibility as the head school prefect. Another important part of school council. Our sports captain, you are next in the line, Prerna and Ujjwal, and vice sports captain, Isha and Jasjeet Singh. Vice Sports Captain, your sash and badges will be awarded to you later, but you must come on the stage and take the blessings from ma'am. Prerna, be here because after the whole council is called, we will have a group photo with Principal ma'am. These are our vice sports captain and boy and girl, but ma'am, we don't have their badge and sash. We will award them later, but we thought let's announce their designation and appointment in front of the whole school. I am sure you all are familiar with the sports capabilities of these two children, Jasjeet and Isha Rawat. Now we start with house captains. Akshit Ratan, a very, very able leader who is now going to shoulder the responsibility of Aspen House and bring it to the highest position amongst all the four councils. Proud moment for Akshit. He's picked up being his able capabilities. Meherdeep, Vice Captain of Aspen House. No children, you will not hoot, you will only clap. And house prefects Sukhmani and Kamaljeet from class 6 and Prableen and Shresh from class 5. Children, I would like to tell all of you that hooting is never a part of a formal school function. You can hoot when you are having a sports day, but not in a formal auditorium. Never. Remember that. Big round of applause to these young leaders. They have to provide full support to their house captains in shouldering the responsibilities of their house. Kamaljeet Singh. No talking, children. Prableen Kaur. Shresth Garg. Now comes on the stage is Sidar House Captain Igjot Kaur Chopra, another very, very spirited leader. You can get into full of energy by just looking at her when she is leaving her house. Vice Captain Harsirat Kaur, a leader in the making. And the prefects Palak Shrivastava, Gurmanpreet Singh from class 6. Palak Shrivastava and Gurmanpreet Singh from class 6 and Kangana Verma and Inashveer from class 5. I am sure you all must have seen the signs of leadership in these young prefects during your day-to-day interactions. Give big round of applause. Now comes on the stage Maple House Captain Ashpreet Kaur, a very, very promising and able youngster of Smart Wonder School. You can feel her presence in every activity in the school. She is all over the place every time we are having a school function. followed by Jasleen Mahendru, Vice Captain of Aspen House, another very, very smart, dedicated and effective leader. They are going to be supported by Hargunjeet and Harshdeep from class 6 and Rishabh and Janvi Mehta from class 5. So these young prefects have to learn a lot from their captains and vice captains. All the leadership skills which will be required later in their lives also. Look at the proud faces and lovely smiles. Big round of applause once again. And last but definitely not the least comes the Oak House captain Ananya Mahi. This house will be winner of cricket trophies in both junior and senior groups which we had yesterday. Very, very smart and able leader Ananya Mahi. Supported by equally efficient Ruhani Kumar as the vice captain of Oak House. Clapping. And now the house prefects. Prakriti Bisht, Preet Karandeep from class 6 and Devan Sethi and Navya Chaudhary from class 5. Ready to get into the leadership mode, learn from their captains, the school captains, and maybe, God knows, maybe they are the captains and vice captains of their houses in the years to come. This is just the beginning for all of you children. Keep the flag of your house high. Now, seeing that the school is growing in all the areas in the last couple of years, we felt the need of having some more designations who can take care of cultural and co-curricular activities of the school. So we have Aditya Gupta, who is being appointed as the literary ambassador of the school. We don't have their badges because they were last moment appointment but well thought of, and they will be given their badges as soon as they arrive. But it is a proud moment for all of us and as well as for him. Then we have Cultural Ambassador Udayveer Singh and Rishima Sharma. Now you all have seen these two students on the stage so many times, and you will not be surprised why these two children have been appointed on this designation. Cultural Ambassador. And for all the decoration and artwork that you see during each and every school function, there is a very, very dedicated team of artists who help Kiran ma'am in the art lab tirelessly. I am very, very proud to announce that Vansh Bakshi is the head of decoration committee of the school. And he has Ravneet, Komal, Tanu, and Lishika from class 9, and Rabab, Piyush Gupta, Palak, Sri Darshini and Tanya. These are the children who will be the team who will be working with him. So very, very proud moment for all the students, and congratulations to all of you for getting your appointment, which is so well deserved. Thank you, ma'am. Now, group photograph and house-wise photographs, ma'am, you have to get them clicked with you. I will request. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I'd like to say that the assembly was short and crisp. Good. It was, the songs were beautifully laid out, beautifully sung by the students. And Kangana spoke very well, and of course Mehek and Rehmat, yes? Okay, both the girls recited the poem beautifully and meaningful. It was meaningful. So I think the coordinators and the people concerned with the assembly, I congratulate all of you. And of course for 26th January being our important day of our lives. Once again, congratulations to the entire team for that also. And now we come down to the investiture ceremony. As rightly said by Surabhi ma'am, emotional. In fact, when the head boy and the head girl, the outgoing head boy and the head girl, Palakshi and Harman, they handed over the badges to the present ones, Gurkirat and Dikushi. It was a little emotional moment for me also. Because you both have been head boy and head girl for almost 4 years, which is a very long time. But from now onwards, we will have a head boy and head girl every year. Because obviously the outgoing has to go out and the incoming has to take over. But I would like to give my little input here for Harman and Palakshi. I have known them for 4 years. And I think they both have done a wonderful job. Seeing their age, they are into adolescence. Seeing every action of theirs, they behaved so mature. I felt proud always when I interacted with these children. Not that the other children are not, but then as they had that portfolio of head boy and head girl, they actually came up to the expectation of what they had in their hand. I wish you both a great luck. I wish the great luck to all the 10th who are going out, who have been excellent students with us. But since both these children held the portfolio, I really wish you good luck, beta. You do extremely well in your lives. This goes for all my students who are going out this session from the 10th. And now we'll come down to our new council. You know, when we were discussing in my office that this child, I was so proud that the selection of each child was done with so much of meticulous, points that here each and every point was taken into consideration. So here I congratulate each one of you present here. You all deserve it. And I do hope and expect that whatever the previous council has done, you come up to our expectations beyond that. And you actually stand up to your designations. I hope you will keep up to that. Yes? So once again, a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, children. This is the school that we have. Almost 50% of the school we are seeing here. 50% they are sitting and studying in the classes, that is the junior section. And the school is going to grow each passing year. And it is for the future generation also, whoever is going to hold these portfolios, these designations, that whoever takes this appointment, whoever comes onto this post, has to hold the banner very strong and has to make sure that the things go the right way. And once again, my dear kids, congratulations. Keep the school flag flying very high. I'm sure you're going to rock smart wonders.
wonders. And highest run scorer in the senior wing goes to Prabh Rajvin, Oak House. Prabh Rajvin is from Maple House, I'm sorry. We also had juniors inter-house cricket matches, and the result was winner of the tournament was Oak House. Oak House team, we want you to come on the stage and receive your trophy from Principal Ma'am. Oak House cricket team. And runners-up as Maple House, you also be ready to receive your runners-up trophy. Junior runners-up